Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. This is Herbs Ride and Dive. Yeah. So for today's video, we're reviewing this Orcos DL70 scuba diving super bright flashlight. So we can use it for scuba diving, also for spear fishing. Aside from that, we're also reviewing this two items from North Hike. So this is just a camping cup and our camping lantern. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so first, this is the lantern from North Hike. Let's see. Okay. Packaging is okay. Ano lang naman to siya, cup and light. Pero sana may ano, diba? Like yung bubble wrap. Wala lang. Medyo ano lang. Maarte lang. Ayan. Sinabay ko lang to siya eh. Kasi wala akong ganito. Cup. I'm planning to solo camp. Solo moto camp. Soon. Pag hindi na ako takot sa multo. Let's see. So yun yung box niya. Chinese yung sulat. Hindi ko maintindihan. Folding. Aluminum pala. Hindi pala stainless. Aluminum cup. Ayan. From North Hike. So, ito siya guys. Maliit lang siya. Pang ano lang. Tea or coffee. Ayan. Oh, ganda siya pang ano. Kasi sa side pannier ng motor ko. Ayan. You can fold this. Siguro mga ano to. 500? 400 ml. Mga ganun lang. Sakto lang siya pang coffee. Tapos pwede mo siyang ilagay directly sa stove. Diba? Hindi ka na magsasalin-salin. That's it. That's it for that item. Next one is our camping light from North Hike as well. Hindi ko alam yung talagang brand niya. Diba? So sabi dito, camping light, multifunction, 3 watts LED, plus white light, SMD, plus warm light, SMD. Okay, Type-C charging, 18650 yung battery. And yeah, wala nang iba. Yun lang. Let's see. Okay. Meron pala sa likod. Kaso natatakpan siya ng QR code. Hindi ko siya makita. So, sige, buksan na lang natin. Ayan. May bubble wrap naman pala sa loob. Okay din. So, ito yung pinaka-ilaw niya. Aside from that, we also have this parang sombrero, no? Sombrero. Para siguro hindi mag-drip yung tubig. And a USB-C cord. Maiksi lang, pang charging lang siya. So, let's set that aside. Let's focus on this light. So, yun nga, parang naka-projector lamp din siya. And yung lens niya. Diba? Parang sa mga modern car and motorcycle. Projector, may one LED light siya. The other side, we have this hook. Diba? Para pwede mo siyang, karab mo lang siyang ganyan. Sabit mo sa tent mo or sa mga sa awning mo. May ilaw na. And then, ito yung charging port, USB-C. And then, the power button. To open it, turn this on. And meron pa rin pala siyang LED light pa ikot. Kasi ito, papatong mo lang siya ng ganyan. Mag-fit naman siya para hindi siya basta-basta matatanggal. Tsaka kung nakasabit lang naman siya ng ganyan, wala, hindi ka natatanggal. Diba? So, let's try to turn this on. Yan, button siya ganyan. Lakas lakas nung LED. Ito yung flashlight niya. Ito yan guys. Lakas. Yan. Off. Parang yan yung mahina niya. May flashing din. And then this is the parang yung lantern niya, LED warm light. This one is parang white or ano ba? Parang siyang white eh. And this is the yellow. Diba? Cool. So again, flashlight. Lakas oh. Tapos, flashing, white light, na warm light, and then the yellow one. Got two of them here. Let's see this one. Nagana naman ito siya, for sure. I think. Sana. Ayan, nagana din. Okay. So guys, yung sa flashlight niya, pwede mo siyang zoom in, zoom out. That's cool. Let's try this. Zoom in, zoom out. Para mas focus siya. Gusto mo, siguro mas malayo. Ito try natin ito mamaya sa sa labas namin. Madilim dun. Ayan. Zoom in, zoom out. Angas. Okay. Off natin. Battery, let's try to figure out kung saan yung nakakalagay yung battery. I guess fix yung battery. Ayoko namang sirain. So, let's just leave it like that. Okay? Got two of them. Super bright na ilaw. Price. This is from North Hike. I'm gonna put the link down below. So, this is 399 pesos. Each. Okay. Nakalagay 24 each. Ano yun? 24 hours? Na standby? I don't know. So yun. So that's 399 for this incredible light. Sulit, I think. Pwede. Pero we have to try it first. For camping. Okay? So that's it for the products from North Hike. Now let's go to this Workhorse rather. DL70. Okay. Let's open this one. Medyo durog yung box. Okay. There you go. Gotta open it. And so, Workhorse. Made in China. DL70. Yeah. Let's try to open this. Nalagay pa ng thanks for choosing Workhorse. Okay. First thing, we have our charger. Charger siya. Good thing, naka-Type-C na siya. So, for fast charging. This is the light. Ayan na siya. We also have this lanyard, which is cool. Ganito siya para hindi siya masakit sa neck. Let's put this back. Narinig nyo ba yung video ko? Yung birthday sa kapitbahay namin eh. Papaintak ka dyan. So, dyan. Okay. Lanyard and USB-C cord. Dami ko ng USB-C. Type-C. Also have this, ano to? Gasket? Gasket ba? Alam ko may tawag pa rito bukod sa gasket eh. Paki-comment nga guys. Comment down below kung ano pang other term for this. What else do we have here? Instructions on how to use it. And of course manual. Yan. English and Chinese. Okay. That's it. Now let's go dito sa ilaw. Mismo flashlight niya. Nalagay siya dito guys. Specifically for diving siya. On the other side, nakalagay na hot. Kasi pag malakas yung ilaw, as in iinit talaga siya. I've seen a video of this one na naglagay siya ng yung tawag na to, dried leaf, and then binuksan niya yung ilaw, then nasunog. So be careful. Workhorse DL70 battery logo. This is where you put the lanyard. Ayan. And that's it. Oh, meron pala siyang 4 na LED bulb there, or LED light. This is the switch. And let's try to check the battery. Sabi pala dito, this light is waterproof up to 100 meters. Imagine guys. Ano siya ganito? Cover. And this is the battery. Workhorse din. This is 26650 or 26650 rather. Lithium ion 5000 milliamperes. And we have 2 of them here. Laki ng battery na ito. Solid. Ito naman, itong grabe yung yung spring niya sa loob. Ewan ko lang kung mag-lose contact yan. Diba? Solid. The body, this is, I think it's aluminum. Weight is 395 grams. Medyo mabigat. That's without battery. Yung batteries niya, siguro, bigat siya eh. Half kilo. Diba? Which is good. That means, talaga, pang heavy duty talaga yung flashlight natin. So, ang flashlight body is aerospace grade 6061 grade aluminum alloy. Alloy na siya. Mga pa-bike, no? 6061 yun eh. Mga frame ng bike. What else? Toughened mineral glass lens. That's the lens. So, I'm guessing nagagasgasan pa rin siya kasi mineral lens lang siya. So pag mag-overheat siya, meron siyang advanced temperature regulation or ATR technology na bababa yung brightness niya once reach niya yung 55 degrees Celsius na what do you call this? Na temperature nitong lens to prevent overheating. But since this is a diving flashlight, I don't think you would get to that temperature unless mainit yung tubig, diba? Kasi most likely malamig sa ilalim eh. And that's it guys. Let's try to open it. So may mode siya. This is the first mode. Oh, it's not. Kailangan maikpit siguro. Ayan. First mode. So that's it. That's the 450. Medium is 1300. Friends, this is high. And the turbo. That's the turbo. Na, parang good morning ka talaga nito. This is 13,000 luminous flux, guys. Imagine mo. Tatry natin ito mamaya sa labas. Sobrang lakas, oh. Grabe. Tsaka mainit. Mabilis siya uminit. Ayan. Kita nyo na yung kamay ko niya, no? Grabe. Init. So, sabi dito for the low, yung runtime niya is 18 hours and 9 minutes. Kita nyo sa chart sa baba. Right. 5 hours na naman sa medium. High is 2 hours. And for turbo, that's 1 hour. Yung beam distance din, may difference din yan mamaya. Try din natin yun sa labas. Compare natin kung hanggang gaano kalayo. Pero sabi dito, 92 meters pag sa low. Medium is 152. High is 278. Turbo is 505. You can see that's on the screen as well. Okay. Alright, what else we have here? So yun, IPX8 water resistance up to 100 meters underwater. Diba? So, kung free diver ka, si Alexi ka, pwede sa ito. Hanggang 100 meters daw. What else? That's it. Yun na lang. Tatry na lang muna natin siya. And then, let's see sa labas kung gaano siya kalakas. Okay? See you guys later. So yun guys, try natin yung ano na, flashlight natin. Ito muna, yung yan, yung light lantern natin. Okay? Madaanin lang natin yung motor sa ito yun. Liwanag din, oh. That's, pwede mo siyang i-zoom para nakafocus siya. Layo din ang abot, oh. Ayan guys. Ganyan. Lakas din siya. Diba? Ayan yung flashing niya. Ayan. Diba? Lakas din. Flashing. And then ito yung warm light. Yellow. Okay. Ngayon naman guys, try natin tong diving light natin. Okay. So, ito yung low. That's the low. Yung low pa lang, sobrang lakas na. Medyo naambon. That is medium. Okay, that's medium. This is high. Okay, may approaching na sasakyan. Patayin muna natin. Yan yung normal na ano yan. Ilaw na sasakyan. Ito yung high. Tayo, mas malakas pa sa ilaw ng sasakyan yan. Diba? Ang hina lang ng mga sasakyan. Ito yung high natin guys. Yan yung high. That's not it. Meron pa tayong turbo. Yan yung turbo natin. Puta, good morning. Good morning malalayan guys. Puta, nakita nyo naman. Okay. So, malayo nararating yan. Mainit lang siya, uminit siya kasi pan-dive talaga siya. Yeah. So yun guys, price for this is 2,797 sa Lazada. Purchased it from Sovereign Light. I'll give you the link below. We'll test it this time indoor naman kasi kanina nasa labas tayo. So let's turn the lights on first. So this is the low. There. This is medium. This is high. And this is turbo. Para tayong may ilaw. Malakas pa to sa ilaw namin eh. Grabe. Okay. Oh. Mas malakas pa siya sa ilaw namin. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye!